Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about 3 mantras for building a powerful personality. So as you know, personality is just not the outer look of the person, it is also what is inside the person. So therefore I want to give you 3 mantras which you follow. If you follow these, you will have a very powerful personality, an attractive personality, and a lot of people following you. So what are those 3 mantras? First one is Sangat. Sangat means the company of the people that you keep. Second one is Adat, the habits. Third is Guru, your mentor, your guide, somebody that you follow. So let us see this one by one. How does Adat, Sangat and Guru impact your personality? I got this mantra from my mentor and I want to share this with you. Okay. So for coming to first one, Sangat. So it is said your personality gets molded by 5 people who are around you. You start behaving and thinking like those 5 people around you. If you are surrounded by ordinary people, you become ordinary. If you are surrounded by extraordinary people, you become extraordinary. You would have noticed that you follow what your friends are doing. If your friends are having interest in music, or if your friends are going to gym, you also follow the same. You get impacted by the choice of the people around you. If somebody is taking up science after 10th, you also tend to do the same. So in all the activities you would see, consciously or unconsciously, you get molded by the preferences and choices of the people around you. So those people could be your friends, could be your office colleagues, could be your family members, could be anyone, right? So it is like it's very important that you be aware of those people with whom you are surrounded or where you spend your maximum time. It's like if you spend time with like-minded people, you develop those kind of interests. You spend time with musicians, you develop a lot of interest in music. Spend time with artists, you develop interest in that field, develop your competence in that field. Spend time with somebody into sports, you also start loving sports. So it's very important that you be aware of the company of the people where you spend most of your time and how those people are impacting, how those people are actually molding your choices. And once you find that the company of those people, if they're not helping you to grow, if they are not progressive enough, then it's better to change the company of those people. Not all the people around you would be interested in your growth. So if you are really keen for your success, if you want to reach somewhere in your life, if you have some goals in your life, so get connected with like-minded people, get connected with people who are working towards the future, who are working towards a passion, who are successful in their field. It is said you should connect with people who are 10x times successful than you. Read the biographies of the people who are successful. Books are a very good source of information and source of inspiration as well. When you read the biographies of successful people, you understand how people have risen up, how people have faced difficult circumstances in their life and they have come up and they have made fortune. So reading or making books your best friend is one of the ways you can connect with great people in your field. Another, people around you, there could be different types of people around you in your office also. You should connect with those people whom you feel help you to rise up. Do not be in the company of those people who make you feel bad about yourself. They actually lower your self-esteem in the long run. So connect with those people from whom you can learn, whom you could follow. So they help you to rise up. They are somebody who will always encourage you. So be aware of your company and try to see that you have a good mix of people around you who helps you in achieving your goals in life, who helps you in building your personality. Okay. So now coming to second one, habits. So we know about your habits, good habits, bad habits. We keep learning this from the nursery. but maybe we do not make really a conscious effort to build good habits. So we know, waking up early in the morning, reading books, they are very good habits. They help you to be successful. But it's so difficult for a lot of people to get up in the morning. Everywhere you will read that waking up early actually is one of the traits of successful people, and it gives them a lot of time for self-development, to introspect, to think about their goals, to set the goals in life, to be healthy in their mind and body. We know what are the good habits, but it's so difficult to build those habits. So for every habit, you have to make a conscious effort. Because building a conscious good habit will take conscious effort, but bad habits do not require any effort. तो अच्छी आदतें के लिए मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है, लेकिन बुरी आदतें अपने आप ही पड़ जाती है, ऑटोमेटिकली आप उसको पिकअप कर लेते हैं, उसके लिए कोई मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. तो आपको खुद पता है कि गेटिंग अप अर्ली, रीडिंग बुक्स, हैविंग गुड फूड हैबिट्स, हैविंग गुड वर्क हैबिट्स, so a lot of things which you are already aware, but consciously हम उसको practice नहीं करते हैं. If you start practicing this, if you start building these habits, you will see it will add immensely to your personality. You will be known by those habits. There is a very good book on habits by James Clear, Atomic Habits. Atomic Habits by James Clear. It is a classic book on building habits. He tells that you become your habits. You are known by your habit. Now, for example, if you have someone in your office who always comes late for the meeting, who's always late, तो उसको क्या पीछे लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि लेट लतीफ है वो, right? Similarly, somebody who is always not speaking, good about somebody, तो उसको उसी तरह से लोग नाम से पुकारते हैं. So you actually become your habits. Whatever you showcase to people, the habits that you follow becomes your identity in the long run. तो अगर आपके पर्सनालिटी को पावरफुल करना, आपकी आइडेंटिटी को अच्छा करना है, तो आपको कॉन्शियसली गुड हैबिट्स बिल्ड करनी होगी. इट्स वेरी इजी टू बिल्ड गुड हैबिट्स वंस यू बिकम अवेयर एंड यू डिसाइड टू डू इट. जिस दिन आपने सोच लिया कि मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना है एंड आई हैव टू स्पेंड टाइम फॉर माई डेवलपमेंट, डूइंग एक्सरसाइज, डूइंग whatever is a morning routine, doing some readings, the day you decide for yourself, you will be able to do it. It's all up to you. The desire has to be from within. So habits is another thing, second thing which will actually help you to build a very attractive and a good personality. Now coming to third one. So third is about guru. So since the ancient times we have seen what is the importance of the guru in the life of a disciple, right? अभी भी जब हम स्कूल जाते हैं तो सबसे पहले when you are born, your parents, your mother is your guru. You learn lot of things from her by seeing her. Your parents, you see them and you learn lot of things from them. When you go to school, your teachers are the guru in your school, in your college. But what happens after you finish your studies? Then you do not have anybody that you're following, or do not have anybody that you learn from. But if you have to progress in life, you have to keep learning. So wherever you find, if there is somebody around you with whom you can learn, you should make them your guru. Every successful people have the guru. So whether you talk about Ratan Tata, talk about Mark Zuckerberg, talk about Bill Gates, talk about Mahatma Gandhi, everybody had a guru or has a guru. So guru is somebody who takes you away from the darkness to the light. So in today's context, if you think who can be the guru, so guru could be those people in your work area, in your field, whom you follow, whom you want to follow, or you like their qualities. Maybe you want to, you are appreciating some qualities of those people and you want to have them in you. So they actually become like a benchmark. So if it's possible, you can associate with them, you can learn from them, or you can follow them. Today there are a lot of learning material available on the YouTube and the net. So even if you're not actually getting connected with a guru on a one-to-one basis, even then you can learn a lot of things by following somebody over the social media. But having a guru is very important, because it is that one benchmark that you should have for yourself, which you should be able to aspire to reach that level. So if you want success in business, तो सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन आपका एक गुरु होना चाहिए. If you are more spiritual kind, so somebody from that field should be your guru, somebody you follow. So, and this guru can be anywhere. It could be somebody also in your workplace. It could be somebody in your house. It could be anybody from whom you are able to learn, you are able to follow, somebody who can be a role model to you. But have somebody, it is not, some people think, मुझे सब कुछ आता है, and वो closed mindset जब हो जाता है, then you actually are not open to learning from your surroundings. But there is no limit to learning. You can keep learning and growing, and every day learning is very important. That keeps you alive. Learning is something like, giving food to your mind, like exercise is to the body, similarly learning is to the mind. तो हर दिन कुछ सीखना जरूरी है. जितना आप सीखेंगे उतना ही आप जीतेंगे. सीखना, बोलते हैं सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. तो जितना आप सीखोगे उतना ही आप जीवन में आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो ये 3 चीजें याद रखिए. 3 मंत्र है. जैसे आपकी संगत, बोलते जैसी संगत वैसी रंगत. तो 3 चीजें हैं. एक तो संगत, दूसरी आदत और तीसरी गुरु. तो ये 3 चीजों में को आपने अगर परफेक्ट कर लिया तो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी जबरदस्त हो सकती है. You will have a great personality. You will have an awesome personality. So wherever you will go, people will follow you. They would want to get connected with you. Now when I'm talking about guru, it's not necessary that you have just one guru. You could have 3, 4, 5, 6 gurus, because आपको मे बी किसी का बोलने का तरीका पसंद है, किसी का कम्युनिकेशन स्टाइल पसंद है, किसी का बिजनेस एक्यूमेन पसंद है मुझे, या फिर किसी का फिटनेस, कोई बहुत फिटनेस फ्रीक है, ये इसीलिए आई लाइक दैट क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट पर्सन. समबडी हु इज अ विजनरी is my guru. So different qualities. Somebody who is very generous, like Ratan Tata, that person can be your guru if it is concerning your building that spirit of giving to society. So these all could be your role models. So people around you could be somebody. It could be role model, somebody around you. It could be somebody not around you, but you are able to read about their life. You're able to know about them through social media. So those could be your guru also. So having somebody to look up to is always a good thing, because then there is some benchmark where I want to reach. तो गुरु बिना ज्ञान नहीं, ये बोलते गुरु बिना ज्ञान नहीं, ये सच है. तो इसीलिए आज लाइफ में अभी अगर आपके पास कोई मेंटर है, कोई कोच है, तो वो भी बहुत अच्छी बात है. बिकॉज जो चीज को आप शायद ट्रायल एंड एरर करके सीखते हैं, जानते हैं, दिस मेंटर और अ कोच कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प यू टू एक्सपीडिट दैट एंड अचीव सक्सेस फास्टर. सो ये 3 मंत्रा याद रखें. दीज आर 3 mantras फॉर बिल्डिंग अ पावरफुल पर्सनैलिटी. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट बॉक्स any of these 3 mantras that you are following in your life, and anything that you want to share regarding these 3 mantras. And if you have liked this video, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.